are watching today's Kaleidoscope.
A is for the apple, so juicy and red. B is for the butterfly with wings widespread. C is for the caterpillar crawling with glee. D is for the dolphin swimming so free. E is for the elephant so big and gray. F is for the firefly lighting the way. G is for the giraffe reaching up high. H is for the hippo splashing nearby. Sing along with me from A to Z, learning our letters so easy and free. I is for the iguana, basking in the sun. J is for the jellyfish, flowing as one. K is for the kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for the lion, king of the spree. M is for the monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for the nightingale, singing melodies. O is for the octopus with tentacles wide. P is for the panda by bamboo side. Q is for the quail with a plume on its head. R is for the rabbit in its burrow bed. S is for the squirrel who nuts with care. T is for the tiger with its striped fur so rare. U is for the urchin in the ocean deep. V is for the vulture on cliffs so steep. W is for the whale, the giant of the sea. X is for the xenopus in the rainforest tree. Y is for the yak with its shaggy coat. Z is for the zebra on the savannah it does. We've learned our letters from A to Z.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.